it's Indira from Indiartzcreations. Thanks for joining me. I had some leftover paint, and at first I thought I was going to just do a flip cup, but I'm actually going to use it and do a puddle pour. And so this paint is a little old, so it's some pinks and blues and silver. So I'm going to start our pour. Oh, you know what? I just had this ingenious idea. I'm going to actually start one with silver. Maybe two, but at least one. Let's see. So we will start our puddles with some white and silver puddles. I hope everyone's doing good. I hope it's okay. I didn't want to, when I say okay, what I mean is I didn't want to try and mix it up at all. It's been sitting for a little bit because when I do that, then the colors get distorted, which the colors are already becoming distorted anyway. So I think I'm just going to try to do 2 layers. Let's see how much paint we have. Okay, so with this one, with the whites, we'll do silver in them. And with the silver, we'll do white in them. And we'll just see what we come up with. Hope everyone is good, staying safe. Wearing your masks when out in public. All right, that's going to be that. And so I think I'm going to, because I don't know how much. Do that. I think I'll put my gloves on. I am excited. Oh my gosh, I have a couple of new things. Like I have some jumbo push pins, which really lift the canvas up great. I was using just regular standard size. And then what else did I get? I got this mini blower, but I tried to use it. And it didn't quite work out. I don't know. I think let's see, when I tried it, somehow I don't know. It only charges with a USB, and when I went to go use it, it didn't cut on. I think it had what do I want to say? I think the charge had ran out, but I didn't know that it would run out without using it because I hadn't used it. Like I had charged it, but I hadn't used it, and so I didn't really know that it wouldn't stay charged. So this made a nice little design for us. So I'm going to stop there. I'll bring you in for a close-up. I don't really see any air bubbles, but I am going to make sure. I'll check just to make sure, and I'll tidy up the sides. Of course, I'm going to put a little white right there, I think. I'll make sure that I really don't have any more paint in the cup because I'm trying to use it all. And then I'll bring you in for a close-up. For the close-up, so we have some cells, not many, but a nice little bit. There's some nice lacing. There's some of the white. If you remember, I poured some white in between the puddles, and that's the result of that. This is the right-hand corner. I'm going to go down. There's another streak of white right there. Another thin streak, but then you see the pink and the purple, so you may not be able to see that streak as much. And there's some more white. So again, this was just some leftover paint that I had from another project that I did, and I decided to do a puddle pour. I was going to do a flip cup, but I decided not to, only because the paint had been sitting for a while and I wanted to be able to control it a little better. So thank you for watching. Thank you for all of your continued support. Please leave comments, like, share, subscribe if you haven't. If you have, I really appreciate it. And until we meet again, cheers to painting.